MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on that thumbnail and joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so we got another synthetic wig review today. This is a unit from the Butta lace collection, which is like a sister to the What lace collection. I'm going to be reviewing this unit in the style Butta Unit number 16, and I have her in the color Flamboyage Blonde. Now, of course, with this Butta lace collection, this unit claims to have virtually undetected HD lace, a pre-plucked hairline, ear-to-ear lace, wide parting space, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. All right, y'all, so let's just go ahead and dive right on into this review.
Alright y'all, so here's a stock card for this Butta Unit 16, and this is what this beautiful hair looks like straight out of the package. It does claim to come pre-plucked with this very wide parting space, and it actually is pretty nicely pre-plucked. It has the standard cap construction with the two combs in the front, one in the back, and the adjustable straps. And now I'm going to go through and show you how I pluck my units. I like to separate about a ½ inch of hair in the front that I plan to pluck, just to minimize any additional shedding throughout the rest of the wig. Again, I got this tip from Let's Begin. I mentioned that in some previous videos. And now I'm just going to pluck from the back side of that section first, just to avoid over plucking in the front. And as you can see, as I'm plucking, I'm not staying in the same spot too long. I'm just plucking the hair away, and I'm going to do the same thing in the front. Just kind of go down the line and plucking hair as you go. Again, refraining from staying in the same spot too long because you don't want to create any bald spots, of course. As you can see, it makes a bit of difference taking this extra step and just plucking the front hairline. This was all of the hair that I plucked, which is actually not a lot. And now I'm just taking my hot comb and getting that hairline nice and straight so that you can actually see the plucked hairline. So continue watching as I install this wig after tinting the lace, and then I will come back with my final thoughts.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same.
Alright y'all, so let's get into it. So with this Butta Lace series, like I feel like this collection came out like about 2 years ago, and we are already up to, well, this is 16, but I know that there's a 17 out already that I haven't gotten, and I'm not sure if I plan to get it, but I believe there is a 17. But anyway, for Butta Unit 16, I really like this unit overall. Like, whoa. First of all, I've seen a ton of thumbnails. I haven't watched anybody's video, I don't think. I don't recall watching, because you know, if I know that I have it, I intentionally do not watch it until I review it. So after this video is done, I'll go back and watch all those other Butta Unit 16s. But yeah, I didn't realize it was this natural, like kinky straight or kinky body wave type of texture. I just didn't realize that, yo. I was like pleasantly surprised. I'm so happy about that. Y'all know this is my favorite texture right here? Yes, ma'am. Now, for these type of units that have like this like natural texture, I normally would prefer a natural color like, you know, 1B or number 2. But of course it wasn't available. So honestly, I'm quite pleased with this Flamboyage Blonde. I've tried this color before, and yeah, I'm a fan, honey. She's a cutie. I love this color. Now, let's get into some real detailed thoughts here. She did claim to come pre-plucked, and she kind of was. She really was. So for my lazy wig wearers, this will do for you. You do not have to pluck any further. I think you can really get away with it without plucking any further. Of course, I'm extra. So yes, I did decide to go in and pluck it a little more, and whew, I'm so happy I did because I'm so pleased with the outcome. Like, come on now, check out this hairline. Yes, honey. that little extra work goes a long way. I'm telling you. I didn't get into the style, but this is like one of my favorite styles right here. This like loose body wave where it's like feathered and layered away from the face, and it's happening on both sides. So thank you, Sensational, for the consistency, because I have experienced too many wigs where the layers and the curls just want to do their own thing when they should both be flowing away from the face. Hello, somebody. Thank you, Sensational. You got it. Now, this is a pretty long unit, I must say. So I'm 5'7", and she's probably coming about 26 inches long, which is pretty long, especially if, you know, you're of a shorter height. It's going to be really long on you. It's probably going to come down to your buttons. You can cut her up. If she's too long, just chop her up a little bit. She's just worth it overall, outside of if you think she's too long. You know what I mean? Chop her up. Now, she did come with baby hairs. I probably cut them off when I cut off the lace, so I just went in and created my own here on the sides, just so that I can camouflage my own edges. That's another thing. This thing did claim to have ear-to-ear lace, and like all my edges are exposed over here at the bottom of the lace. So that's probably the one thing I probably wouldn't agree with. Not that it matters. Like, I was still able to make her blend and make her look realistic and natural nonetheless. Like, it wasn't even an issue for me. Like, I ain't even care that it didn't come all the way down ear to ear. Like, it worked just fine. You saw that I only glued her right here in the middle. I bobby pinned her on the sides and glued her in the middle, and that worked just fine. You can probably do glueless. I just wanted to have that whole melted effect, so I took an extra little step. You know, you don't have to though. She could really be an easy breezy one if that's what you prefer. So this unit definitely sheds a ton. I got some of the human error in there. Like, you know, I really did cut it close to the hairline. I did pluck the hairline. So some of it could be me. I don't know. But she sheds a lot. Heavily. Not a whole lot of tangling. You do get stuck every now and then. So I would say the tangling is very light. Alright, so let's get into the price. The price range for this unit is anywhere between $35 and $45, which for all that you get with her is very well worth it. She got the pre-plucked hairline, the HD lace that melts so nicely. Oh my gosh, she's so worth it. So that's really all I got, y'all. I gave you all my thoughts. I gave you all the deets. I put it all out there. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. You know I want to hear your thoughts. Let's go ahead and chat about her down below in the comments. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this butter emoji. Hello, butter lace. This butter emoji down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin. And you already know, I love you, girl. I appreciate you for that. Thank you. Thank y'all so much for rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it. If not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I would love to see you and communicate with you there. Like, I'm always on Instagram, so let's connect, Shug. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.